Was it by me?
Isn't that Piggy?
You are?
Oh, light of my life, road of my arms, at last we are alone.
At last, you are alone, Piggy. I'm about to go on stage in front of 1,000 people.
Oh, wretched day for a pig in her prime to be thus scorned. Oh, how long to hear my love whisper sweet passion.
Hiya, good looking. Where you been all my life?
Kermit?
Hmm?
Oh, hello.
Hey, listen, you. How about you and me getting together and making some steam heat, Snuggle Bunny?
Snuggle Bunny, but...
Oh yeah, look, let me take you away from all this. A marriage made in heaven, a frog and a pig. We could have bouncing baby figs.
Baby figs?
Sure, let me whisper sweet nothings in your ear.
Sweet nothings. Oh, that's because... Oh, how dare you say that to a pig?
Piggy, let me explain.
Oh, explain this.
Hey, listen, I think you may have dented him. I don't. Oh well, the frog broke her fall.